so I'm down in a basement where they're essentially finishing a basement, and they've went and added a couple of egress windows. But when they cut the opening for the egress window, they didn't cut it deep enough to allow for headers above them to support the floor or the roof above. And so what happened is they had to go in after the fact and either figure out how to get a header above it, or they would have had to have gone in and cut the concrete down a little further. And so what they did here is they actually cut the floor joists and they added onto the rim board that is above the window to create that header, and then they've put hangers on those floor joists. And that would then meet the requirement as a header above that window. It's now picking up the load for that floor system and any roof load that's above. So I thought I'd show everybody what they did in case you run into the same situation. You went and cut your egress window opening in your concrete wall and you didn't cut it deep enough. This may be an option for you. Obviously check with your local building inspector, but this should work for you if you're looking for a fix. So here we go. Okay, so here's the window, right? And here is the original top plate. They did not provide any type of header. Normally this window would be dropped down farther and there would be a header that ran across here and it would sit underneath these floor joists. Well, they forgot to do that. And so now what they've done is they've cut these floor joists and they've slid another 2x10 in here up against the rim board. So there's an existing rim board up there, but now that they've cut this window opening, they need a header. And so they've doubled it up. They essentially have two 2x10s running across here, and they've installed hangers and they put the proper fasteners in. They put their nails or proper Simpson or any type of other approved structural fastener in there. And so they've now met that requirement. This header spans over and sits on top of this treated piece of lumber here. And obviously the rim board carries all the way through. So they've met that requirement and they have their header up there. This has been with Building Code Tips. I hope this helps you out and keeps you moving down the road. If you've ran into a little snag on your egress windows, hit subscribe for more videos to come, and by all means hit like if this helped you out. You can also visit buildingcodetips.com for guides and blog information, all kinds of building code information.